Stop scrolling because this is not just another celebrity story. South Africa has woken up to a devastating news involving award-winning producer Mazel, and it's already breaking hearts. If you know South African music, you know who Mazel is. The hitmaker behind massive tracks like Umlilo has now found himself at the center of a tragic road incident that has left one person dead. And the details are heavy. Reports confirm that the accident happened on Friday night while Mazel and his team were traveling to a scheduled performance in Lephalale, Limpopo. They were passing through Shongwane too when everything changed in seconds. According to official statements shared by his team, a pedestrian unexpectedly crossed the road, and in that moment the collision happened. Emergency services were called immediately, but despite quick response from paramedics and police, the pedestrian was sadly declared deceased at the scene. What makes this even more emotional is the response from Mazel's team. They confirmed they stopped immediately after the incident. They also reached out to the victim's family and even met with them afterwards to express condolences. According to their statements, they have committed to taking responsibility for supporting the family and the funeral arrangements. Mazel himself has also publicly expressed deep sorrow, saying the team is devastated and carrying the emotional weight of what happened. But here's where things get complicated. Road accidents like this often leave people asking tough questions. Was it just a tragic accident, or could it have been prevented? And how do artists deal with something this heavy while still being expected to perform, tour, and continue working? Right now, those answers are unclear. One thing is certain, this is not just a headline. It's a real human tragedy affecting both the family and a music team that never expected their night to end this way. And it's a reminder that one moment on the road can change multiple lives forever. For now, investigations and official processes are still unfolding, but one thing is clear, this story is far from over, and we will be watching closely as more details come out. If you want more breaking South African celebrity updates like this, make sure you subscribe to Gossip Grenade, because we don't just report the news, we break it down the way people actually talk about it.